Today, let's talk about crochet butterflies.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about crochet patterns of butterflies. There's a great variety of butterflies, realistic, small, big, for babies, cute, and let's take a look at some of the ones that I found. I love this one. It's it's very unusual. I love the little wings and the massive eye. It's a very cute one. This is a more traditional one. It's great. You can use it as a pendant flag, almost like a banner. You can use it as a coaster or a plate. What do you call them? You can use you can use them as well, anything you can use something flat for, to put your hot plate on, or something like that, or just to hang on the wall as a beautiful decoration. This is a very cute one. I love this simplicity of the design with the colorful wings and the color scheme overall. Look at the little button details. It's very cute. And there's the applique cousin of the previous one, again with a lot of details in it, and look at the little heart-shaped wing there. Another one, very cute. I like the little, I don't know what they are, baubles on top, I'm not sure. The little pinky rosy cheeks, very cute one. This is a butterfly girl dressed up, very nice. This is an intricate pattern for someone with more patience than I have, but the result is spectacular. Look at it. This will be a beautiful addition to your home decor or to someone who loves butterflies. Another little butterfly girl. Let's see if we can zoom in. It's a little pixely, but you get the idea. Lovely blue tint. I love the headband with the antenna. Very nice. And look at this little guy. Isn't he just a happy mono, what do you call them? What are they called when they only have one eye? I can't remember, I'm so sorry. One-eyed butterfly creature, very, very sweet. And some double butterflies. I think they're crocheted as a flower, and you fold them over. I'm not sure exactly, but you can use any type of color you want. I love the idea of using pipe cleaners as the bodies to keep the whole thing together. Very nice. Oh, these are so sweet. How cute would they look in some nursery or as a baby shower present? So very cute. This is sort of a bee/butterfly girl. I love the little hat with the antenna. The colors are on point, and her hair is also very cute. And there's another shot of the butterfly flowers, flower butterflies. And this is more of a caterpillar situation, but very cute. You can imagine that a baby would love to play with this. This is a moth. I love this. I love the intricacy, I'm so sorry, of this pattern with the gold thread and the fuzzy furry look. I love this pattern. It's different, it's unusual, and the effect is stunning. Another moth. You don't have to be a butterfly to be beautiful. Isn't that a good message? So cute, so colorful, so cute, beautiful eyes. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. I love the little details, and I love the edges of the wings. They really make an impact. Very simple, very straightforward, very safe for baby to play with. And here's the caterpillar situation with wings, so it's turned into a beautiful, sweet butterfly. And here's some of its friends. You can make it into a bee as well. So if you've seen a pattern that you would like to try, you'll find the link to all the patterns in the description down below. And happy crocheting!